Hi guys, so today I have a really fun tutorial and project to share with you. So today I am going to show you how to make these cute, easy on the hands and easy on the eyes, functional crochet hooks with your stitch marker attached. So that way whenever you're crocheting and you need to put your work down and you don't want it to just unravel, you unhook your stitch marker and add it on. So this one with a very thin hook, I hide all the sizes on them because I really don't use or measure the sizes. I just eyeball the hook and choose which one I want to work with. And this beautiful little candy piece was given to me by Donna, Whimsical Treasures. Hi Donna, thank you. I put it to good use. I'm using all the beads that you sent me. So this is a sweet blue one, and I just added some of that Dollar Tree trim around the hook. Here goes another one that I did, and it has the removable stitch marker. So you could either have some dangles hanging from your crochet needle as well as your stitch marker, or you could just have your stitch marker hanging. Either way, it's a fun and cute idea and really good to have on hand. So this one is just hearts on it, and I recycled one of my glue topper stoppers which has some baseball beads and cute little chip bag for your stitch marker. The next one is this pink hook with the pink colors on it, and it has this sweet little Snickers charm, and your stitch marker is a larger Snicker candy bar. How sweet is that? And then this one is a plastic crochet hook, and this is your size G hook, and I just added some of that chenille from Dollar Tree and some sweet beads that were sent to me. These were sent to me, I believe, by Anchor Life 5. And then this I just had in my stash for a very long time. I have a few of these, and that is my stitch marker. It's the Hello Kitty, and then just have a cute little dangle on the crochet hook. So these are fun. These would be cute gifts to give to that person in your life who crochets, a friend. I think they came out really cute. And then here goes the green, and this is a size 2.0, size 2 crochet hook, and this is the stitch marker right here. Very lightweight. So yeah, there's many ways you can do this, and this is just one way that I figured out and had fun doing. So I'm just gonna put these to the side so we can get started. You're gonna need some beads, of course, and the main thing that we are going to use for this project, as you can see, is straws. So these are my Dollar Tree straws, except for the gold and the red, which I got at a local store, and the hearts I think I got at the local store. So I'm using your Dollar Tree straws for this project, so have some of those on hand. You're going to need some beading tools. Of course, you're going to need your eye pins, and any size will be fine. The crochet hooks that you want to jazz up, and I have a lot. I've been collecting crochet hooks for years and years and years, so I have a bag full of them, and a lot of them are very thin. So this is going to help make them more ergonomic, easy on the eyes and easy on the hands. And of course, you're going to need beads, more beads, embellishments, anything that you want to put on it, just to make it more fun. So I do have some bead stuff that I was already working on. So anything in your stash. You're also going to need a lobster clasp. If you don't have lobster clasps, you can use an earring. You can use one of these clasps here. Anything that, or you can use a hoop, a jump ring, a large jump ring. depending if you're a crocheter or a knitter. To each his own. You may need a pair of scissors to have that handy. Now already expressed to your beads. Also, washi tape. I used washi tape on these because I didn't have a straw the color that I wanted, so I just used some washi tape that I had lying around, and it works really well. So washi tape, if you want to use washi tape. And so let's get started. First thing you're going to do is decide which hook you want to work on, and I'm going to work on this one here. Put the rest to the side. Then the next step is to decide what color washi tape you want to use, or what color straw you want to use. So I think for this one I'm gonna try, I love blue, not dark blue so much, but blue is like my thing. Baby pink and baby blue. So let's see, should I go with dark or light? I'm gonna do light. I'll do dark blue next time. Okay, so I'm gonna put these away. Next thing we're gonna do is decide whether you want to show the size of the hook. And because these hooks are like made in China, they're not properly done, so the size is not even on the center. So it doesn't matter to me to cover the size, so I'm just gonna cover that whole thing there. Okay, you could do it up to here if you choose. I usually just do it here because when I hold my hook, I usually hold it far down anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna measure my straw, and I always leave a little extra on top. You don't have to. I just do a little, just slightly taller. And make sure you cut your edge as straight as possible. My edge is not that straight. So when you do put your bead on top, it's gonna fit nicely there. Next step, after we have the size straw, we're gonna make some choices as to what we're gonna use as our stitch marker, what we're gonna put on the tip of our. So I'm just gonna pull out some random stuff. So this looks really cool, and I could hang the mermaid tail from it. Yeah, so I think we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna put everything else to the side. So I already made my decision. And I get this out the way just so you can see more clearly the process. So I forgot to mention you're gonna need your glue gun. I don't know if I did, I probably didn't, not sure. But definitely gonna need your glue gun for this whole situation. Okay, so now we take our straw and make sure the side you put down at the bottom is the side that already comes cut, not the side that you cut yourself. You want a more finished look, so make sure you have that side down. Hold your straw and your hook at the position that you want the straw to stay in. And now we are going to force a whole bunch of glue into the straw till we fill it down at the bottom. If you do have finger protectors, this will be a good time to put them on, because you are going to fill the straw at the bottom. So now the glue is coming out of the bottom. It has reached the edge. Just gonna try to position the straw in the center as much as possible. And now hurriedly put in your eye. Sorry about the camera moving. And because metal conducts heat, this can get very hot. So if you do have any protective gloves or finger protectors, this would be a great time to use it, because this whole stick is very hot right now. Let's see if I could get some more lighting in here. Okay. And these will spin, but your eye pin will not. So now our crochet hook is done. Now is the part where we make our stitch marker. Now you got to keep in mind some of these things can get heavy, so if it doesn't bother you to have a stitch marker that is heavy, then it's fine. You can use anything you want, but some people don't like the heaviness to the stitch marker because they don't want it to drag on their project or to make their project weigh down, so keep that in mind. So now you can see our hook is completely secured, the eye pin is secured, and like I said, the beads can move around, but for the most part they are secured. So now I'm just gonna decide what to make as my stitch marker. I'm gonna use the sweet mermaid tail. So I'm going to get my eye pin, decide what I'm going to use, if I'm going to use already a pre-made bead. So I'm going to make my own then. Let's see, maybe a mermaid star. I'm going to have some shells through there. Might just use that. Don't mind my fingers, they are so super dry from all the gluing and getting burned with the glue gun. Oops. Try one of these and see how it looks. I wonder if this goes through. This looks cute. I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, looks cool. So now we're gonna use our beading tool.
Make it.
Sea beads would be great for this project. I have a little space here, and a sea bead would like totally fix that up. Okay. Use, oops. Use a jump ring.
Hat.
Yes, you're making me a hat.
Hat.
Gonna add on our jump ring now.
Bear. Teddy bear.
Okay. We have a little jump ring. Now we add a jump ring to our mermaid tail. I can't get them both on at the same time. Okay, so now we have our tail. I'm gonna put these back inside. Now we just need our lobster clasp. I'm gonna put one for the lobster clasp. Oops, I gotta add my jump ring. Jump ring. Whoops. Whoops, 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 whoops. Okay. And so voila. We have our stitch marker ready to go. Clip that bad boy onto our hook.
The bear.
And
Chubby
we
bear.
are
Chubby bear.
done. So now we have our crochet hook and our stitch marker all ready and good to go. Now you can continue to make a little dangle from this, or you can leave it like so. You can take some washi tape, put it down at this end, but for the most part, just gotta clean up the little bits of glue that might have seeped through. But for the most part, it is a completely finished project. So there you go, guys. This quick little easy spice up your crochet hook tutorial. Hope you like it. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for all your kind words and support, and I see you guys in my next tutorial.